Hello guys, I am Parsuram Patel. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic multiple lens system, and here we will discuss a question of NCRT, that is question number 20, which is based on the multiple lens system and displacement method. So question number 20 of NCRT is: a screen is placed 90 centimeter from an object, that is distance between the screen, that is image, and object is 90 centimeter. The image of the object on the screen is formed by a convex lens at two different locations separated by 20 centimeter. Determine the focal length of the lens. So here distance between the screen and object is 90 centimeter, is given here, and lens is located at two different positions. Lens is positioned at the first position, then at second position, and difference between both the position is 20 centimeter. Okay, same lens is located at two different positions, and in both the cases image is formed on the screen. Okay, so here we will consider position number one. So there are two lenses. There are one lens and which is at position 1 and position 2. Same lens which is at two different positions. So O is the object, okay, and if O is the object to the position 1, then image is formed at I1 for lens position 1. And if object O O is the object for lens 2, that is second position, then also image is formed on the screen. Okay. So if a rays from the object is incident to the position 1, then image is formed at I1. If rays from the object incident to the position 2, then image is formed at the screen. Okay, that in both the cases rays are coming from the object to the lens at different positions, but image is formed at screen. So I1 for lens 1, I2 for lens 2, and the difference between two positions is 20 centimeter. So if we will assume the distance between the object and first position, that is this distance is x, and this distance is 20 given between these two positions, 20 centimeter, and if we have considered this distance is x, so total distance between this and this is x plus 20. So remaining distance will be 70 minus x. Again you can understand it from the diagram, that is distance between object and image, that is object and screen, is 90 centimeter given to. If we will assume the distance between object at first position is x and distance between two position is 20 given to you, then this distance total will be 20 plus x. So remaining distance will be 70 minus x. Okay, hope you have understood this diagram. Now you can see the position of object, two different locations of lens with focal length f and screen image locations. Using lens formula, 1 upon b minus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. So first we will consider the first position. So if lens is located at first position, then from the diagram, object distance u is equal to minus x using sign convention, and image distance v is equal to 90 minus x, as rays are coming from left to right, that incident rays towards right. So this one is the positive direction. So using sign convention, u equal to minus x and v equal to 90 minus x and f equal to plus f. Focal length is positive, as it is known that lens is converging lens, that is convex lens. So using lens formula, we will get 1 upon 90 minus x minus of 1 upon minus x equal to 1 upon, from the equation number. So we will get equation number 2 after some mathematical simplification. Now if same lens is at second position, for second position, that is second location of lens, the distance of object from the lens will be 20 plus x. So using sign convention, u equal to minus of 20 plus x, and the image distance v will be 70 minus x, and again focal length will be plus f, as it is same lens but at different position. You can see if this distance is 20 plus x, that is equal to minus of 20 plus x, So remaining distance will be 70 - 6. So using these values in a length formula, that is 1 upon b minus 1 upon e equal to 1 upon f, using equation number 1, we will get this equation number 3 after substitution of these values. So from second and third, we can observe both the equations second and third. Right hand side in both the case is same. So from second and third, left hand side will be equal. 1 upon 90 minus x plus 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 70 minus x plus 1 upon 20 plus x. After taking LCM both sides and after doing cross multiplication, we will get 40x equal to 1400. That is x equal to 1400 upon 40, which will be 35. So we have got the value of object distance from the first position, that is first location of lens, and that is the 35. So replacing the value of x equal to 35 in equation number 2, in this equation, that is 1 upon 90 minus x plus 1 upon x equal to 1 upon. Now value of x is known to us, that is 35 centimeter. So after replacing the value of x in equation number 2, we will get 1 upon 90 minus 35 plus 1 upon 35 is equal to 1 upon f. So after some mathematical calculation, we will get f equal to 21.7 centimeter. That is the focal length of lens is 21.7 centimeter. Hope you have understood the problem, and we will stop here. Please subscribe my channel, like the videos, and do comments. Your suggestions are most welcome. Thank you.